Getting my Chapin 150-pound spreader ready to put on some grass seed and fertilizer this season. Really makes quick work of it. And the quick hitch pin is really sturdy and easy to install. What I noticed right away about this Chapin model was 3 grease zerts down at the bottom, so this should really hold up to long-term use. And plus there's this nice deflector on the front side of the spreader, and that just helps to keep all the material directed away from the operator. There's a heavy-duty agitator inside and a lever that lets you control with 11 settings how much material is dispersed. It now comes with 15-inch pneumatic tires, so you should be able to handle those rough fields and any bumps you encounter in the yard. And with such a large capacity, this is great for fertilizers or lawn seed. And one of my favorite features with this spreader is the included cover. It has a nice clear window, but yet it'll keep any moisture out of the bin. So whether you're putting out fertilizer, weed and feed, or just doing some overseeding in the spring or fall, this heavy-duty spreader from Chapin will really cover some ground for you. After using this for a bit now, I'd find it very hard to go back to my small walk-behind spreader. And if you get your timing right and put out that fertilizer in spring and fall, won't be long, you'll have a nice lush lawn of your own. And I just love how the flow of material stops automatically. You don't have to control anything from your tractor, and you don't even have to jump off the machine. It's all automatic.